Wow. Righty ho. I'm going to start with this. That was useful, wasn't it? Right, I think, look, this is, I think if we aim for this as being the top of the pentagon, hexagon each time, I think that makes sense. So sometimes they are sort of like that in how they're thinking, and other times they're all like that. So I think this is one of those. Let's get rid of those pink lines because they're distracting me. Can you see how it's there and then it droops down? It's there and then it droops. It's there. So if that's 12 o'clock, it droops to 2. 12 o'clock, it droops to 2. 12 o'clock, it droops to 2. So it's going to be 12 o'clock, the thin bit, and it's going to droop to 2. So it's going to look sort of like that. So that's not that one. Could be C, B, C, D, not E. Well, we've improved our chances, haven't we? Now, this white one underneath, it seems to sort of follow. Here we are. It's going down, but it's sort of white droop. So it goes that also from 12 to 2. So we're looking for our sort of like to go whoop on that side, but that's the white one on top. So that one does whoop. That one does. That one does. Well, it didn't help, did it? Sometimes it works like that. So let's now concentrate on the curly whirlies. Now the curly whirlies are a mirror image. Can you see whether they're big or small? The tails sort of meet at the same point. Now the tails are meeting at the same point. We're not going to go anti-clockwise or clockwise because I can tell it's going to go wrong. So we want the tail here, and it will go round that way, and then the tail here will go round that way. So we want the tails out on the bottom, and then the sort of the snail bits on the inside, which is B. That one is tucked in so that the tails are on the inside, so they won't join up, and these are just too big. Well, actually, when we broke that down, that wasn't as hard as I initially thought. It was okay, wasn't it? Now, what do we do when we don't know what's going on? It's counting. Movement, possibly, but addition, rotation, symmetry, counting. I suppose it could be addition. Let's have a look. So here we've got one line, 2, 3, 4. So we want 5. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want one with 5 lines going down. So it's not that one. Not that one, not that one. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got to work out what's going on with the dots. Well, let's just count them. That's all right. I'm going to get rid of these blue numbers because I have a huge ability to confuse myself. So we're just counting the dots now. So that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 6. Oh look, 3, 6, 3, 6. So we want 3. So our answer's A and not C. You could do that, couldn't you? When you break it down into the bits, you can do it. As if you try and do it all in one, that's when it goes wrong. See you soon.